Do you want to know how you can log into your Elicit AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Elicit AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser or any kind of browser you have on your PC. Go to the Google search bar and then search for Elicit AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official page of Elicit Research. You can analyze research papers at superhuman speed using Elicit. Go ahead and click sign in, which you can see on the top right hand corner. It will take you to this login portal, which is the official login portal of Elicit. There are three ways you can log into your account. The first one is GitHub, the second one is Google, and the third one is the old school email process. So if you want to use your GitHub or Google to log in, click on this link and log into your account, and then you can access Elicit as well. If you want to continue with your email, go ahead and write down the email address and password associated with Elicit and its account, and go ahead and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Elicit account as well. In case you have forgotten your password, go ahead and click on Forgot Password and recover your password once again. I hope this video about how you can log into your Elicit AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.